Hello, super kids. Look at the C sounds. C sounds, Ka sound at CA, CO, CU. CE, CI gives Sa sound, S sound. K sound, S sound. K sound, S sound. Vowels 5, A, E, I, O, U. With vowels A, O, U. C sounds K. With EI, C sounds S. A, O, U comes beside C, it gives K sound. E, I gives S sound, S sound. Look at first one, cabbage. Look, C, A. Put C here. Look, C, A, C, A, cabbage. Next one, cow. O is there. K sound will come. Cow. Next one, curry. What is there in the next one? Curry. CU. For AOU sounds K. For IE sounds S. Look, circle. Look at circle. CIS, CIS sound. Next, rise. Look, CE is giving S sound. So, for I and E, S sound. For A, O, U, K sound, K sound. Notice this. Now write all the letters in the yellow part. Complete the page. Best of luck, sweethearts.